Yan, nababakabalen. Welcome to Wherein, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, we will visit itong Teppanyaki.
Yes.
And at the same time, hotpot dito sa may Clark, Pampanga.
Guys, this is a new discovery and it's a must. You gotta visit this place if you want to try these kinds of authentic dishes. Guys, we want to tell you more about this. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So guys, this is our setup. Ayan, so sama natin mga owners and at the same time, kasama natin ang Wherein, Pampanga team. What is up? So
Yes.
this is our setup, Teppanyaki style.
Teppanyaki style.
Teppanyaki style. So our chef earlier niluto ano?
Niluto is egg.
Egg.
Actually, egg pa lang ang niluluto.
Egg. Talaga yung showmanship, guys. Showmanship is superb. Wow. Anong tawag dito, ma'am? Do you know? Steamed egg. Trivia, guys, no? So, yung duck liver, pinapataba talaga nila yung duck liver,
Yes.
bro. Para lumaki yung liver niya.
Yung itlog natin from Philippines.
Philippines?
Yung liver.
Duck liver is from France.
France.
And then the black thing is actually from Japan.
Japan. So,
Let's
3
try.
countries in one food.
3 countries in one food. There you go. Oh, it's steamy. Ang galing. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That is a different kind of taste. Solid. Comment down below, guys, kung anong tawag natin dun sa parang black thing here, no? It actually adds texture. So hindi siya parang taho lang na kinakain mo. Meron siyang konting inuwa yan, no?
Same time, medyo may pagka-salty siya ng konti. And adds up dun sa liver, black liver na parang meat niya. They also serve here yung mga set meals. So what we have here, yung nasa harap natin ngayon, are some of their set meals. So meron tayong barbecue mackerel na set meal. Meron tayong tonkatsu. And we have mga a la cartes naman. Syempre yung mga rolls natin, ramen, and some, check this out.
What? Thank you.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. Wow. I am just stunned, guys. Goose liver, apple, and then bread, and then dip with red wine sauce. And guys, another must try is yung kanilang steak. I tried this earlier while it is actually still steaming hot. So you can enjoy it with salt and pepper, or yung kanilang gravy niya is its own oil. Yung kanyang oil, fat.
Amazing!
So ito guys, ito yung na-appreciate namin dito. Number one, it's very untraditional dun sa way we vlog.
Yes.
No, kasi after maluto ni chef, diretso kain, direct tikman.
Sir Bagalo.
Another thing is, sobrang na-appreciate natin yung craftsmanship or yung artistry ng pagluluto. no? Number 3 is quality ng food. So as much as possible, they told us, no, as much as possible, yung mga ingredients natin dito are all the way from Japan. Of course, some are sourced here, like this egg. Ayan. Other ingredients are, like for example, yung goose liver, it's from France. The rest of the, like this sashimi,
From Japan.
fresh from Japan. So appreciate it. Next natin titikman is yung kanilang hot pot. We're gonna go there. May space pa kaya tayo?
Siyempre, titikman natin yan. Hindi natin papahuli yan.
Hindi natin palalampasin yan.
Let's see.
Let's go!
So here at Seafood Hotpot Restaurant, look at their menu for 2 packs. For the set menu 1, it's only $6.99. For the set menu 2, for 4 packs already, $13.99. And set menu 3, 6 packs already, $19.99 only.
This is the place. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so this is the place. It has like 5 tables. It has 1 private room dun sa banda doon. And we are staying here. That's our table.
So dito, pag pinag-uusapan natin is hot pot, hindi mawawala dyan yung mga dip dito. So dito is kanya-kanyang gawa ng dip ulit. So ngayon, gagawa tayo yung kanilang Mark's dip.
This is our table naman for the hot pot. Look at the table, sobrang dami guys. So actually they have 3 sets, sabi ni Joyce kanina, set 1, 2, and 3. Para sa akin yung pinakasulit, go for the set number 3. It's good for 6 people, it's only 1,999 pesos. But what you see on our table right now, ito yung lahat all in na pwede yung orderan. Ayan. So either set or a la carte or per plate, ito na yun. Ito na lahat yun. What do we have on our table? Ayan.
Yeah. Now we introduce our hot pot.
Yes.
Then we have 1 spicy soup and no spicy soup.
Okay.
Okay. Then for because our hot pot is mostly on the beef.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So mostly the fresh meat, the part of the meat,
Yes.
the part of the beef, different part, different taste.
Correct.
Yeah. So
Okay. These are all meat. These are all beef.
yeah.
And
So
then only
our-
1 pork. But this is single serving, right? Or is it unlimited?
Yeah, single serving.
Single serving. Okay. So, yung daw tamang pagluto ng mga meat natin, parang blanch lang. So, it's just 5 seconds.
Not 5 seconds, just by second. So you can add first. This one actually depends on you. If you like to eat like this, you can. But if no, you can cook more.
Cook more. So, ganun lang pala kadali, guys. So, supposedly, for these kinds of premium meat, actually, you have to enjoy a little bit of parang pagka-freshness niya. So, just blanch it, 5 seconds to 10 seconds maximum. And then you're gonna enjoy kumbaga, yung pinakamasarap na niya, flavor niya. Alright, thank you very much.
So, Wakoyaki Cuisine
Yes.
Teppanyaki is open from 3 p.m. to 2 a.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to
And they're
Sunday.
located dito sa may Bertafil, Park, Pampanga.
Yeah, so pinaka-landmark natin guys, it's just across yung old Sutherland site and then Corner Bakery Cafe, right? So just go straight here, you're gonna arrive here. and you're gonna enjoy their food.
It's either teppanyaki
Or the hot pot. Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye guys.
Bye.
Tap the lens. Tap it. Tap.
Close it.